How to search for most recent job on Upwork. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy and simple. So for that, I will simply open Upwork app if you don't have download it and also log in your account. After you log in, simply click on Upwork. So I will click on Upwork. Here you guys will see jobs, proposal, contract, messages, alerts. Also on top you guys will see set for jobs. So I will search for my niche. So I will hit search for example, YouTube video editor. Once I search for that, you need to wait for some seconds. Now here you guys will see on the right side these two lines, so simply click here. Now here you guys will see best matches category. To select your category, I will for example selecting video editing. So I will search for video animation. So click on video animation. After that, click on done. Here you guys can see best matches. So simply click here. Now here you guys can see best matches. So simply click here. Now you guys will see most recent client spent client rating. So simply click on most recent. After that, click on apply. Once you click on apply, the all recent jobs will be shown. Leave it to your services. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.